Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 21st, 2021, and I'm out here in the new greenhouse, and I'm going to be transplanting my lemon gum eucalyptus seedlings. Now, these were the seedlings that I did my video, how to tell when your seeds are germinating, and I had 4 of them come up, so when they start getting their true leaves, which are right here, they say about transplanting them, so we're going to get these out of the flat and put into these little containers over here. So I have my little shovel here. Now the only reason why I'm wearing gloves is so I don't get the dirt on my camera. That's the only reason why. Attempt to get these out of here. Go. Let's see here. There we go. And you can see the little root right there. I'm going to take this over here and I'm going to put it right in this one here. Let's just throw down here some. Now I'm using the Miracle-Gro potting mix. Kind of work some of that off there. There we go. Okay. Transplant it in here. I need to take this down just a little bit further. There we go. Oh, I can smell that citronella fragrance from it already. I'm just going to take some of my soil here. Just going to kind of go in around here. Now, I don't want to cover the pre-existing root ball. I want to let that stay at the exact height of where it is. So if I get anything on it, I'm going to brush it off. There we go. Gonna get this watered here. Okay. Gentle watering here. Now my soil did sink some, so I'm going to fill in around where it sank down at. And that's normal for it to do that. My soil's nice and dry, which is how I like it. I don't like my soil when it's all wet for transplanting. I like it nice and dry. So we had it in the greenhouse on the heated floor, and it's probably been in here for maybe 3 or 4 months now, so it had time to dry out for me. It makes it nice and fluffy, really nice to be able to work with. Now, seed starting mix is completely different when I plant my seeds. There we go. Okay, so water's running out the bottom. That one there is done. Let's grab another one here. This one here I can get with the shovel. And you can see that one there has the root on the bottom. And I'll put it back in this one here. I'm going to kind of nestle this in here just a little bit. Get it in there nice and snug. We don't want any air pockets. Now, the lemon gum eucalyptus is used to help repel mosquitoes, and I believe it does the biting flies too. And it's also used in arrangements. Now, they say it's not quite as sturdy as like your silver dollar, your silver drop, or your baby blue eucalyptus is, or like the bookleaf Mallee eucalyptus. But you can still use it in arrangements. I am going to attempt to dry it and just see what happens with it. There we go. I'll let that drain down there. On to the next one here. This one's a really nice one here. Now, I've never grown the silver dollar eucalyptus or the bookleaf Mallee. I am looking for the silver dollar eucalyptus. They had crop failures, so I couldn't get the seeds for that this year. Okay, let's see here. Oops. That's okay. And the bookleaf Mallee one, I wasn't sure if it was going to fit for exactly what I needed it for. So, I didn't get that one. Oh dear. Trying to nestle that into the soil. It kind of broke out of the flat and has a high spot underneath, and I'm trying to make sure I don't wind up with an air pocket. Now, some of that air pocket can come out when you water it, but depending on where it's at, they don't always want to cooperate the best. There we go. Go. There we go. Pleased with that. I can tell you this plant is very fragrant. It has a wonderful fragrance to it. So we're going to get the last one out here. Let's see here. I can get behind it here. Try and work this one out this way. There we go. and you can see the little roots there. So we're just going to sit this one. I got to add some more soil. There we go. Okay. Now. Here we go. Filling around here. There we go. I get this one here watered. Let that run out the bottom there, and then I might give a little bit more, depends on what it looks like. So when these get larger then, they will get transplanted again. And as they grow, they'll get transplanted into like larger containers. So I will be coming back with more videos on these. So if you're interested in growing the silver drop eucalyptus or the baby blue eucalyptus, you can check those videos out on my channel. And I've been growing eucalyptus for many years now, and I have some videos on my channel about them and about how to overwinter them and different things. So in addition to the baby blue eucalyptus and the silver drop eucalyptus, I'm also growing the lemon gum eucalyptus this year, and for the other varieties I just mentioned, you can check videos out for those on my channel and see what they look like. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos and show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!